April 1-5. Oh, that date, right? It's just one that gives you the shivers. All right, outside tonight, the winds are calm. The skies are partly cloudy to mostly clear, and temperatures will drop quickly now. We're at 29, and we've got a dew point only 6 degrees away, so the humidity is relatively high at about 78, no pun intended. Here's your weather impact alert for tomorrow morning, because what we're going to have is some single-digit wind chills possible. Even though it's not going to be very windy, hill country numbers will be cold enough that we could squeeze in like an 8 or a 9 early tomorrow morning. I would still watch for some hill country bridges. You know, they've delayed openings. They've canceled a lot of classes in tomorrow's schools for the hill country in Kerrville, Ingram, Harper, Comfort because of that. And so keep the 4 Ps in mind: people, pets, plants, and pipes. I would drip the faucets in San Antonio. I would also, of course, download the KENS 5 Plus app to your television. All things San Antonio, all things KENS 5. But most importantly, be checking on people. And I've got a very important way to do that coming up after the 14-day forecast. This morning's lows: 19's up I-35, 21 Gonzales, 24 down as far south as Beeville, 18 though at Cotulla, 17 Hondo out in the Medina Valley. R20 ties a record from 1897. Tomorrow morning, another record from 1897 is within reach. This one was tied. Tomorrow's is 18. I don't think we'll do it, but we will get close. Look at how far below average these numbers are. I mean, this is where we should be. This is our winter, okay? This is not our winter. The weather is broken. Let's fix it, right? 23 in Bernie right now, 29 at Timberwood Park and the city. Hondo's already at 27. Here's where I think we begin tomorrow morning: 12 to 13, Bandera and Bernie, 17, 18 to 19, Northside, 20 at Randolph, 21 out at Lackland, 17 out at Hondo again. So that's why we have the extreme cold warning in effect and a freeze warning for deep South Texas. Now, settling in, this is why that air is remaining cold. This west-northwest flow aloft, we've got all the moisture out, so some very dry air is in place. That also, of course, helps the temperatures drop. And speaking of the dry air, the dew points are not going to be doing much. They're staying in the 20s. And that means that the next cold front that's already in the forecast probably comes through dry. There will be a chance of rain on Friday when this front swings through, but not very much. And in fact, when this moisture comes in, the coldest air is going to be about a day behind it. So we're really not concerned with this next front of seeing another threat of a wintry mix. The humidity forecast keeping dew points off the charts. We're expected to stay below 30. So that's why we're not expecting any wintry precipitation with this next system. Let's take a look at the 14-day forecast. Tomorrow morning, 19. That's why we have the weather impact alert, but with afternoon sunshine, 47. It's going to feel better, especially standing out in the sun. 28 to start Wednesday, and then up to 54. 57 is going to feel downright balmy. But keep in mind, we should be seeing light freeze temperatures both Wednesday, Thursday morning. I would keep the pipes wrapped through the rest of the season. Why not? We're going to have another good freeze next weekend too. But you probably won't have to be dripping the faucets on Wednesday, Thursday morning. Slight chance of rain is only 20%, but the winds are going to pick up. So that's going to be a cold start to Saturday. If you got an early morning soccer game, 28 the low, I think wind chills will be around 20. And then a high of only 48, then down to 27 Sunday morning. So this is another good cold air mass, but we recover quickly and we don't have the precip to worry about. And when we do get a chance at 30% that first Tuesday of February, well, then we're way too warm to worry about any wintry weather. But with these cold temperatures in place and more to come, please remember cold days, warm hearts. Get a gently used or new jacket to a 5-star cleaners, a Dutch Boy Cleaners. Even with a broken zipper, they will fix it for us, even to a Santikos movie theater. And then they will get them out to SAM Ministries, CAM Ministries, Christians Assistance, and that means that they get out on the ground and they get them to the people that need them the most.